Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by composing the message where you need responses. Click Options, then use voting buttons. This embeds clickable choices into the email so recipients can reply with one click. Once done, select a preset like Approve, Reject, or click Custom to type your exact options separated by semicolons. Make sure to add clear context in the message body so recipients know what each option means. This step both simplifies tallying and reduces follow-up email traffic. After inserting voting buttons, address the email to the intended recipients and put any observers in CC. Explain the question, expected action, and a deadline. People are more likely to respond when instructions are explicit. Before sending, confirm the message format is HTML because voting buttons rely on it. Send the email, then navigate to the Sent Items message and choose the Tracking tab. Outlook automatically logs responses, so you can monitor replies without manual To finalize, open the sent message and click Tracking to see each recipient's selection and a summary count. This consolidates responses for quick decisions. If tracking is empty, make sure the message was sent in HTML and that recipients use Outlook or an Exchange account because some clients do not support voting. If problems persist, request replies manually or offer a one-line reply option in the body. This fallback keeps your process moving and preserves accurate results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.